Ever thought, what do an ant, a fish, a bird, and all of us have in common? We are all animals, but a tree is not. Why? In 5 minutes, we'll crack the kingdom Animalia, the most happening kingdom on earth. Hey everyone, today for a Class 9 NCERT Science, we are diving into Chapter 7 Diversity in Living Organisms, specifically Kingdom Animalia. By the end of this video, you will be able to classify animals like a pro for your exams. What makes you an animal? I mean, what are the key features of an animal? According to NCERT, all animals share 4 things. Eukaryotic. All animals have proper cells with nucleus and other cell organelles. Multicellular. They are not just one cells like bacteria. Heterotrophic. Animals can't make their own food or perform photosynthesis. They eat plants and other animals. No cell wall. Plant cells have wall, but animals don't. Motility. The animals are motile at some stage of their life cycle. Now the question arises, how do scientists put millions of animals into groups? According to NCERT, we look at the following 5 features. Level of organization, body symmetry, germ layers, body cavity or coelom, and notochord. Based on this, the first big split is vertebrates versus invertebrates. Do you have backbone? Vertebrates do. That's fish, frogs, birds, mammals, etc. Invertebrates don't. And that's 95% of all animals. Think insects, jellyfish, snails. We just made the big split. Backbone or no backbone? Let's start with the 95%. The invertebrates, no backbone club. It includes 8 phyla from most simplest to most complex. The 8 phyla are Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata. Now for the remaining 5%, animals with notochord included in phylum Chordata, which has 2 groups, Protochordata and Vertebrata. Now Vertebrata has 5 classes: Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, Mammalia. So kingdom Animalia is equal to 8 invertebrate phyla plus 1 phylum Chordata. Chordata equals to Protochordata plus 5 classes of Vertebrata. So that's full kingdom Animalia tree according to NCERT. Now let's briefly see each of the phyla. Porifera, the sponges. Simplest multicellular animals, entirely aquatic and non-motile. They have a porous body to circulate water, food, and oxygen. Examples include Cycon, Spongilla, and Euplectella. Phylum Coelenterata or Cnidaria. The word coelenteratize is derived from the Greek word which means kilos. That means they have hollow body cavity. The body is differentiated into 2 ends and is made up of 2 layers of cells, inner and outer linings, found in aquatic habitat. They live in colonies as well as found solitary. Examples include hydra, jellyfish, and corals. Platyhelminthes, commonly known as flatworms. They have dorsoventrally flattened, complex, and differentiated body structure. They are triploblastic, have true coelom, bilateral symmetry, either free-living or parasitic. Examples include tapeworm, planaria, and liver fluke. Nematoda, the roundworms. They have cylindrical body, are bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic. Have pseudocoelom, a false body cavity. They are parasitic and are responsible for diseases like elephantiasis and ascariasis. Examples include ascaris and wuchereria. Annelida, segmented or ringworms. They have segmented cylindrical body which is differentiated into head and tail. Bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and have true coelom. Habitat: marine, freshwater, and land. Examples include earthworm, leech, etc. Arthropoda, the largest phylum. Arthropod means jointed legs, so the animals in this kingdom have jointed appendages. They also have exoskeleton and segmented body. They are bilaterally symmetrical. Body is differentiated into organ and organ system. They have open circulatory system but do not have differentiated blood vessels. Examples include butterflies, spiders, and mosquitoes. Mollusca, the second largest phylum. Now they have less segmented body. They are bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic. Body differentiated into organ and organ system, have typically open circulatory system. Limbs are also present. Examples include snails and octopus. Echinodermata, the spiny skinned animals. It is derived from the Greek word echinos meaning hedgehog and derma meaning skin. Thus, echinodermata are spiny skinned animals. They are unsegmented. They show radial symmetry, are triploblastic, and have true coelom. They have water vascular system. They have hard calcium carbonate skeleton structure. They are free living marine animals. Examples include starfish, sea urchins, etc. Chordata, the phylum with notochord. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomate, and have closed circulatory system. They also have internal segmentation. They have dorsal hollow nerve cord, pharyngeal slits, and post-anal tail. Examples include human, dogs, birds, sharks, etc. Chordata phylum is further divided into two subphyla, Protochordata and Vertebrata. Protochordata, bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomated body, show development of notochord at certain stage of their life. They exhibit organ system level of organization. Habitat is mostly marine. Examples include herdmania and amphioxus. Protochordata is further classified into Urochordata and Cephalochordata. Urochordata or tunicata, often called sea squads. Body is encased in leathery cellulose-like covering called tunic. They undergo retrogressive metamorphosis where free-swimming larvae possess a well-developed notochord and tail which degenerates when they mature into sessile adults. Examples include herdmania, acidia, etc. Cephalochordata. They are free-swimming fish-like marine organisms where the notochord extends all the way to the head region. Unlike urochordates, the notochord, nerve cord, and tail persist throughout their adult life. Examples include amphioxus, vertebrata or craniates. They have true vertebral column and internal skeleton. They are bilaterally symmetrical, coelomate, segmented, and have differentiation up to organ system. Vertebrates are classified into 5 classes, namely Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. Pisces. These are fish, exclusively aquatic animals. Their skin is covered with scales or plates. They are cold-blooded animals. Fertilization may be external or internal. Usually have streamlined body. Some may have spindle-shaped or elongated body as well. They swim with the help of tail and obtain oxygen dissolved in water using gills. They have two-chambered heart and are oviparous. Examples include Scoliodon, hippocampus, rohu, katla, etc. Amphibia, the animals that live both on land and water. These animals begin their life cycle as aquatic larvae, and as they grow adult, their habitat shifts to terrestrial habitat. They have permeable scale-free skin for respiration. They are cold-blooded animals. They have three-chambered heart and they are oviparous. Examples include frogs and salamanders. Reptilia. These are ectothermic animals, both marine and terrestrial habitat. Have scaly skin, pulmonary respiration, are oviparous and have three-chambered heart. Examples include snake, crocodile, tortoise, etc. Aves. These are birds with terrestrial habitat. Their body is covered with feathers. Respiration is through lungs. They are warm blooded or homeothermic. They have four chambered heart, are oviparous, and the forelimbs are modified into wings for flight. Examples include eagle, peacock, ostrich, swan, etc. Mammalia, the animals that have mammary glands. Habitat is terrestrial, skin has hair and glands, respire through lungs and are warm blooded. They have four chambered heart, are viviparous, and can produce milk. Examples include whale, bat, humans, and cow. So that's how kingdom Animalia is divided into 9 major phyla, from simplest sponges to complex chordates like us. Every group has got its own unique feature that help us understand evolution. So that's it for Kingdom Animalia. I hope you learned something new and have all the basics clear. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and save the video. Also visit my channel for videos on other kingdoms. Study well. Thank you. Bye bye.